So guys, actually we have successfully installed the application. This app operating guide. Actually, I have a hard time because I'm using this. I'm scanning this Android. I have a hard time, even though I am connected to Wi-Fi, which is 20 Mbps, but it is still not installing because it says downloading, but it is not downloading. So luckily I tried to scan this in Google, this Google Play, and it's very easy. Just loaded easily. And when I tried to connect, I think I needed to connect with when I have a signal. So uh, I just removed the battery of this drone first. So this is the drone. Let's see, something like that. It has four, what do you call that, four wings. So like that. So this is the rear camera, or the when it is in the air. This is the camera downwards. This is the camera, and straight, the straight camera is this one. I don't know if this is a camera. I think yes, it is a camera. There's a camera because there's something here. I don't know if what's this. And this is also the camera, which is, yeah, movable. It can move up until upwards. Yeah, up until there. Up until upwards. It moves. So it can record a video here in this area. Record a video or take a picture, and of course downwards when this is not working. So I just charge the three batteries of the drone before testing it, before going to the signal part area. This is the first camera, first battery. This is the second, and this is the third. I'm charging them. They are chargeable, rechargeable. I'm excited to try it, but I decided to uh, make sure first, because even though if I'm successfully connected with this using the application that I have installed, but the battery of this is not charged, then it's useless. I need to charge first the battery of this drone, because it needs a signal to be able for me to connect to the Wi-Fi, because this this has a Wi-Fi. By reading this, it has a Wi-Fi. It says, turn on the product power switch, enter the phone settings and open Wi-Fi, and number 3, find the device's Wi-Fi hotspot, which was named Flow XXXXX from the Wi-Fi list. Click on the connection until the connection is successful. So I don't find this flow when I opened my Wi-Fi because I don't know. Simply because I think I in this area that I'm staying, we don't have a signal. So I think that's the problem there. And open the app, click the start icon, enter the real-time interface, then click on the album icon, enter the real-time interface. So actually there's an image. There's a manual here. And this is the full manual of all of those. It's very long. And it is back to back. It's back to back. It is back to back. So in this back, this is the steps and the parts of this remote control. This, and in this area is the part of this drone. And of course into the USB. I know that. Yeah. This front page, this drone, the folding drone with obstacle avoiding function operating manual. Then know your remote control. This is the remote control. Then accessories, these parts, accessories of this drone, optional accessories, pre-flight operation. Then open the wings, then battery charging for drone, then battery instructions, and this part, lithium battery instruction for the controller, signal connection to transmitter, many parts. So I think that's it. We will wait for the batteries to get charged.